In this video, I want to save you some time one day and help you find your license key. Because inevitably with these things, we download the product evaluation, we end up with our installation file that we got for free from VMware. And then we decide we want to put this on our laptop or we want to put it somewhere else, and then guess what? We don't have it. And so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you how to go out and find that thing again. And I've also noticed a lot of people have trouble finding this thing the first time. So when you go to VMware, you'll go out and you'll find VMware Workstation. You'll go to that page and you tell it you want to try the download, and it asks you some questions. You set up an account, your email address, password, and that sort of thing. And it'll eventually drop you off at this download page, and it says license and download. Well, you're trying to download, and so you'll come down here and find your binaries, Workstation 802 for Windows, and you'll click download. But then you realize, oh, wait a minute. So you download this, you log out, and then when you start to install it, it asks you for the license key. And you're like, well, I don't know, where was that? So you go check your email, it's not there. Well, guess what? It was back here on this download. It's not either of these. It is right up here at the top, and right there it is. And notice it says licensing here, and then there's your binaries. For some reason, everybody misses this. Then the next big problem they have is, say they got this thing, they installed it, they didn't keep a copy of it. Best advice, just highlight this stuff, copy that, stick it in the notepad file somewhere, whatever. But then you get out there later and you need this again and you don't know how to find it, and it can be a bit confusing. What you're going to have to do is come back out to VMware's site and go into your My Account, and when you do, it's going to ask you where do you want to go, and you'll have to select a destination. And if you do this from the first time when you log in, it's a little easier. But you can come down here and choose evaluation and free products, and then you'll have to come down here and choose VMware Workstation and submit it. And notice it's going to take you to here. Now you don't see it, and you think that they're asking you to download it again. But this is where you can get confused. Just keep hitting continue here. Just keep hitting continue. It'll drop you off at that same screen eventually, and you can get back to your license key. So anyway, that'll save you a little bit of time. Your license key was on your download page. It wasn't very obvious, but that's how to find it. That's how to get back to it. Also, obviously, make sure on your My Account, make sure that you remember your username and your password so that you can get back into that license key. So anyway, that's just a little trick on finding that license key in case you lose it.